we are making this bottom round. Do you know what part of the cow this piece is coming from? Let me show you.
Beef bottom round roast is a lean cut of meat from the outer rear leg of a cow and is just as muscular and low in marbling as the top round cut. However, my cow came with some marbling to it.
Well, let's start off by putting kosher salt all over this meat. Don't be afraid, this is a very thick piece of meat, so it will not be salty. Do not put black pepper or any other seasoning on this meat because we'll be sealing this meat on a very hot pan and it might burn. Now let's put it in a plastic bag and leave it in the refrigerator for about half an hour. After half an hour, let's remove it and let's seal the meat.
Guacamole, guacamole, I want some guacamole, 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 delicious guacamole, 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 so tasty guacamole, 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 I dream of guacamole.
Remove the caw from the fire and set it aside. Now let's make our marinade sauce. I used 1.5 cups of Worcestershire sauce, some capers, I squeezed half lime, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of paprika, 1 chipotle pepper. Let's mix it. On a food processor, add garlic, as much as you want. Add your mixture, and shredded it, just like that. Grab your meat and make holes in it. Put it in a plastic bag, add the marinade, and mix it well to ensure the marinade gets inside the holes. Grab some clean potatoes and put them in the bag. Get that sauce all over the potatoes too. Put it in a container and leave in the refrigerator for 3 hours to get that flavor. After 3 hours, preheat the oven at 395 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a large onion, some tomatoes and potatoes and put it on a baking dish like that. Add your cow right in the middle.
Let's put the rest of the sauce all over the dish like that. So far, it looks fantastic, but we are not done yet. Now let's put everything in the oven and leave it there for 1 hour. And now look at this. This is a beautiful piece of meat.
I gotta tell you, this recipe came out really delicious. I mean, the acidity of the tomatoes, the onion, because the time of the cooking becomes caramelized. Delicious, delicious, delicious. The garlic, the Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. Worcestershire sauce. Just amazing. I mean, and this is not even a prime piece of beef. It's just a regular piece of beef, and I mean, there is other ways to do it, which make it softer, but it really come out really amazing. I love it, and I encourage you to do exactly as I did, and you're gonna love this recipe. Let's cook like a boss.
Guac recipe
Try my
is
chow.
done. Now I'll eat my guacamole. Guacamole, guacamole. I dream of guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. I can't live without guacamole.
Now, if you live in Massachusetts and would like me to cook this dish for you at your house, just send me a message.